Have you ever thought what would happen if Earth lost its oxygen? Let's think about it. You're walking down the street, and suddenly, everything changes. The sky turns darker. Your ears explode. Planes fall. Buildings crumble. No warning. No air. Just silence. What if Earth lost all its oxygen, even for just 5 seconds? What would happen to you and the entire planet? In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most extreme what-ifs in science. What would actually happen if all the oxygen in Earth's atmosphere, the thing keeping you alive right now, disappeared? From collapsing structures to massive radiation bursts to you literally cooking from the inside out. Let's find out what happens when the world takes its last breath. Oxygen isn't just for breathing. It holds the planet together, literally. Here's what oxygen does. Makes up 21% of the air. Forms water molecules, H2O. Holds up buildings by binding concrete and steel. Creates the ozone layer, which blocks deadly radiation. Without it, everything starts falling apart, fast. In the first second, your eardrums explode, air pressure drops instantly. All combustion stops. No cars, engines, or fire. Planes fall, jet engines need oxygen to function. Birds drop from the sky, no air to keep them aloft. Everyone at the beach? Toasted. The ozone layer disappears, letting in deadly UV rays. Oxygen helps form the chemical bonds in concrete and metal oxides. Without it, buildings literally start falling apart. Steel becomes brittle. Concrete turns to dust. Bridges, towers, even stadiums begin to disintegrate. Earth becomes a demolition zone, without explosives. Humans can survive a few minutes without breathing, but without oxygen molecules, your blood cells can't carry oxygen. In 3 seconds, you lose consciousness. Organs begin shutting down. Your skin starts burning from UV rays. It's like holding your breath underwater, but with zero chance of surfacing. Water is 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. Remove the oxygen, and you break the molecular bond. The result? All water on Earth starts separating. With no oxygen, pressure drops, water starts boiling at room temperature. Lakes, rivers, and oceans? Turning into steam clouds and hydrogen gas. Without oxygen, Earth's atmosphere loses 21% of its mass in an instant. Pressure drops. UV rays flood in. Cosmic radiation hits Earth full force. In just 5 seconds, the planet turns from a life-filled paradise to something that looks more like Mars. Now imagine oxygen comes back. Planes crashed. Buildings leveled. Millions dead or unconscious. The oceans destabilized. Civilization might never recover. The damage would be irreversible in just 5 seconds. So, what if Earth lost all its oxygen? The air would go silent. Structures would collapse. Oceans would boil. Humanity would fall apart in seconds. Luckily, that can't happen naturally. But it reminds us, the invisible things we take for granted, they're holding our world together. If you learned something new today, breathe deep and hit like. Want more videos that oxygenate your brain? Hit subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's one thing you couldn't live without for 5 seconds?